These are burgers.
What are you eating? Oh, what is it?
It's a burger.
Is it good? Are they good? How many do you have?
1, 2, 3.
3? Let me count. Oh yeah, 3. Whoops. What's your name?
I don't know.
Your name is Anano? What's your name?
Zachary.
Oh, hi Zachary. How old are you?
I could be a robot at East's famous part.
Don't fall off your chair. You're sitting on the edge.
I am a robot. I am a robot.
How old are you?
4?
4?
Yeah.
When was your birthday?
I don't know.
I thought you just turned 3.
I turned. Can I get the pen?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Love you.